Suffering a serious injury at work can be life-altering, which is why it's so important to claim everything you're entitled to give you the best chance to get your life back on track. So I'm going to quickly run through when and why you should hire an experienced workers' compensation lawyer for your claim. Each year, over 500,000 Australians suffer an injury in the workplace, many of whom are forced to miss time off work or prevented from returning altogether. I've seen so many people try to navigate the compensation system on their own, all while attempting to recover. And quite often, they miss out on valuable compensation that they're entitled to. So here are some quick points to help you maximise your compensation and highlight the importance of being guided by a workers' compensation lawyer. Always seek free advice. You can certainly claim workers' compensation without using a lawyer, but every claim is different and it can be hard to know if you're getting everything you're entitled to, particularly because the insurers are not required to tell you everything that you can claim. So even if you don't think you need a lawyer, it's a good idea to have a free consultation with a workers' compensation lawyer to get some advice on your claim. It's also important to note that in New South Wales, it's possible to get all of your legal costs covered by the IRO, the Independent Review Office, so that there's no cost to you. Find out about work injury damages lump sums and potential for other claims. A work injury damages claim is awarded for the economic loss you suffer as a result of your injury, which includes past and future wages and superannuation. In order to be eligible, you need to prove the injury was a result of your employer's negligence and have suffered at least 15% damage on a scale known as whole person impairment. These lump sum payouts can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, but are extremely complicated and, in my opinion, should not be pursued without the guidance of an experienced workers' compensation lawyer. What I would recommend is that you engage with a workers' compensation lawyer on a no-win, no-fee basis, so you only need to pay them if you win. It's also important to note that client-first firms, like here at Law Partners, will fund the running of your claim, so you'll never be out of pocket. An experienced workers' compensation lawyer will also be able to determine whether you're entitled to make other claims, such as a total and permanent disability claim on your eligible superannuation policy. In order to get a better understanding of the pivotal role an experienced workers' compensation lawyer can play in maximising your compensation, let's take a look at a recent claim we settled. An injured worker came to us distraught that his claim had been denied by the workers' compensation insurer. Having been cut off from his benefits, he had no idea how long his savings would last. Whilst we're in the process of challenging the insurer's decision, we discovered that he had 2 superannuation accounts, both with TPD policies. We were able to successfully obtain a payout on both of those TPD policies, and that money helped him get through the workers' compensation process with greater financial security. In the end, we were also successful in overturning the insurer's decision and having his benefits reinstated. Hopefully, this has been helpful to you. But if you're still unsure about workers' compensation or need help with your claim, call Law Partners and have a confidential conversation with one of our specialist workers' compensation lawyers today.